Hello everyone, we are from grade 8. Our project is about introduction to graphs and types of graphs.
Before going to know about types of graphs, first we should know what is a graph.
A graph is a mathematical structure or visual representation used to model relationships between objects.
There are infinite types of graphs according to their variety, but here we mentioned 4 types of graphs which are used in our day-to-day life. They are pictograph, pie chart, linear graph, and bar graph.
Pictograph. A pictograph is a visual representation of data that uses icons, symbols, and pictures to represent numerical values. In this pictograph, each icon represents 10 students of that color. In this data, green has the highest majority, purple has the minority. It is used mostly in schools, newspapers, and magazines.
Pie chart. Pie chart is a circle which is divided into slices. Each slice represents each activity. Here, purple indicates 90 degrees with sports, dance indicates 90 degrees with sports, green indicates 90 degrees with studies, singing indicates 30 degrees, painting indicates 60 degrees with blue.
Linear graph. Linear graph is a visual representation of data relationship using line segments on a coordinate plane. Here this is called as a coordinate plane and these are line segments. Here we have two parts. One is x-axis and one is y-axis. X-axis is a horizontal line and represents independent variables on a graph, whereas y-axis is a vertical line and represents dependent variables on a graph. We took the examples of stock market sales in a month. Here, for the first week, the sales were started at 10% and for the second week, it was raised to 30% and for the third week, it was balanced. For fourth week, it reached to 50% of the sales and fifth week, it finally reached at 70%. So like this, we used to represent the data on a linear graph. A bar graph is a visual tool that uses horizontal or vertical rectangular bars to compare different categories of data. This bar graph shows the top 5 richest people in the world with their wealth. The y-axis, which is horizontal axis, shows the names of the top 5 richest people in the world, and the y-axis, which is vertical axis, shows their wealth. Each bar represents one person, and the height of the bar represents their wealth. The Elon Musk bar is the tallest, so he is the richest person in the world. And the other bars are shorter, showing comparatively less wealth.
Thank you, one and all. Hope you understood the concept. Have a nice day.